Namaskar, welcome to Opsc Oas A to Z. So 2018 Opsc Oas preliminary question paper 1 रो question number 30 जाए आम लास्ट वीडियो कवर कर सारी जो मैंने भी देखी ना प्लेलिस्ट को जाके कवर कर नियंतु. सो लेट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 31. Horticulture is widely farmed in options are Mediterranean region, temperate region, tropical region, subtropical region. यार करेक्ट आंसर होची temperate region. Horticulture refers to the cultivation and processing of fruits, vegetable, ornamental plants and flower, mostly developed in the temperate region of the world. It is well developed in densely populated industrial areas of northwestern Europe and northeastern USA. So next Mediterranean region को or Mediterranean lands, also known as orchards land of the world. Olive, grapes and citrus nuts are cultivated there. Areas surrounding the Mediterranean Sea, which have mild, wet winters and hot and dry summers, is called Mediterranean lands. So next question number 32 को the line joining points with equal cloud cover is called isobar, isonave, isoheights and isotag. यार करेक्ट आंसर होची ऑप्शन बी isonave. से भली आइसोबार कहले द लाइन जॉइनिंग पॉइंट्स विथ इक्वल atmospheric pressure is called isobar. से भले आइसोहाइड्स कहले द लाइन जॉइनिंग points with equal precipitation and isotag is called the line joining points with equal wind speed is called isotag. Next question number 33 को location of sugar industry in India is moving from North India to South India because of options are cheap and uninterrupted supply of power, B high labor cost, C well developed rail network, D high yield and high sugar content in sugar. यार correct answer होची option D high yield and high sugar content in sugar cane. So tropical climate of peninsular India results in a higher yield per unit hectare of land in sugarcane cultivation. So next question number 34 को Levenstrom was coined by. यार correct answer होची Radzel. Option D is your correct answer. Levenstrom was coined by Radzel. Radzel developed a theory according to which the development of species including human is primarily determined by their adaptation to the geographical circumstances. So mostly Levenstrom was adopted by Nazi, mostly आपको कहा जाए Nazi ideology and Adolf Hitler mostly आपको popularize करें and it was the stated policy of Nazis to kill, deport and enslave the Polish, Russian and other Slavic population whom they consider inferior and to repopulate the land with Germanic peoples. तो आपको हमें कोचे Levenstrom. So next question number 35 को the spread of cultural traits from one region to other is called. Options are diffusion, fission, transformation, transmission. तर यार correct answer है option A diffusion or cultural diffusion. The spread of cultural traits from one region to other is called diffusion. Next transformation का कहला में बुझो the it is a shift that can take place throughout or entire organization or in individual departments and team. It requires changing of hearts, minds, skills of workforce to support a desired culture. Say well transmission कहले cultural transmission is the ability to pass knowledge from one individual to another even across generation that makes human unique among animals. The process of learning through which the values, standards, norms etc. of culture are passed from succeeding generation is called cultural transmission. So next question number 36 को one belt one road in policy relates to. Options are India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China. तो यार correct answer option D China. One belt one road is a part of famous Silk Road initiative, and it is a Chinese economic and strategic agenda by which the two ends of the Eurasia as well as Africa and Oceania are being closely tied among two routes, one over land and another one over maritime. So next question number 37. The major division of the agricultural regions of the world is associated with. Your correct answer is option A. Whittle's classification is associated with the major division of agricultural region of the world, and his classification is widely accepted one and is based on the factors like crop and livestock association, labor and capital intensity, productivity, consumption pattern of the production, methods and technique. And next question number 38 को which one of the following is incorrect? Options are glacial topography is parasitic in nature, cirrus result from glacial erosion. Option C, glacial erosion gives rise to U-shaped valleys. Option D, depositional activity of glacier makes hanging valleys. तो incorrect पचारिए तो ऑप्शन डी, depositional activity of glacier makes hanging valleys. Depositional activities नुहे mostly erosion through hanging valleys create हुए through glacier. So glaciers are moving bodies of ice that can change entire landscape, and erratics are generally the largest rocks left behind the retreating glaciers, and U-shaped valleys, hanging valleys are example of the kind of valleys glacier can erode, and cirrus are the wall-shaped like depression that glacier carve into mountains and valley sidewall at high elevation. So next question number 39 को process that shapes the earth's surface is called geographical process, hypographic process, tetrahedral process, geomorphic process. The correct answer is option D is geomorphic process. Through geomorphic process responsible for the formation and alteration of earth's surface, the physical and chemical interaction between the earth's surface and the natural forces acting upon it to produce landforms. Two types of geomorphic process are there. One is endogenic, that is called internal process, and exogenic, that is originated within the earth's atmosphere. Endogenic or internal process ର example ହେଲା mountain building forces and earthquakes, volcanism. एगुड़ा आउ आपणकर exogenic process ର example ହେଲା wind, waves, water. So next jiba question number 40. U-shaped valley is formed by glacier, breaking waves, sea waves, river in the mountainous stage. तो एबे हमें recently पढ़िले कि U-shaped valley is formed by glacier. So option A is correct. So thank you. Next question हमें next video रे cover करें.